Assalamualaikum, my name is Ahmad Zafandinian.
Hello everyone, my name is Krish Kumar Suryanagan. My metric number is 01DDT22F2028.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Afisha bin Azri, number matrix 01DDT23F1140, referring to this.
Now I want to present about introduction. The clothing department about Berjaya Supermarket currently relies on a manual inventory management process which can lead to inefficiencies such as stock inaccuracies, delays in replenishment, and difficulty in tracking sales and returns. To address these issues, this proposal outlines the development of an automatic inventory management system (IMS) that will track inventory levels, manage stock replenishment, generate reports, and streamline supplier and sales tracking.
And I will be presenting system requirement A, input requirements. The system will require the following input. First, the stock entry to record new inventory from suppliers, then sales transaction to update inventory when items are sold, return processing to manage product returns and restocking items if applicable, supplier details, storing supplier information and purchase history, stock level updates, adjusting inventory count based on sales, return and replenishment, employee activity, record employee activity for security and accountability, password and identification from staff and manager for security. Lastly, business documents such as debit notes, credit notes, discount given, and etc.
Thank you, Zafan. Now, B, output requirements. The system should generate the following outputs. First, real-time inventory reports to track stock availability. Second, stock replenishment alerts when stock reach the critical level. Third, sales report to analyze performance and revenue trends. Fourth, supplier reports with order history and delivery status. Fifth, return reports for monitoring refunds or replace item. Next, audit logs to track inventory change and user activities. Next, employee access logs track employee activity for security and accountability. Next, security confirmation confirm user login. Then return note detailed information about the goods to be returned to the seller or supplier after purchase.
Next is about processing requirements. The system must support the following processes: stock tracking and control is ensuring stock levels are updated automatically after every sale or return. Automated stock replenishment, generating the reorder alerts based on predefined threshold. System access, allowing store employees and managers to access the system with different permissions. Then report and analytics is to generate the reports. Next is security, is to access, control, prevent loss or damage. Next is about sales and returns, to adjusting retail inventory levels accordingly. Supply management, storing supplier details, tracking pending supply orders, and integrating with procurement.
Next, performance requirements. To ensure efficiency, the system must meet these performance criteria. System response time should be under 2 seconds for stock updates. Sales and inventory reports should generate within 5 seconds. It should also have support for concurrent users, ens- ensuring multiple employees can access and update records simultaneously. And lastly, minimal downtime, ensuring high system availability.
For the last one is control requirements. To maintain data integrity and security, the system should have user authentication and role-based access control. Therefore, given cashiers, managers, and suppliers with different permissions. Then the data validation to prevent incorrect or duplicate entries. Next, error handling mechanism to detect and correct inconsistencies. And finally, security measures such as encryption for sensitive data and regular backups.
Next is conclusion. The conclusion is the proposed inventory management system (IMS) will automate stock tracking, streamline sales and return management, improve decision making through reports, and enhance security by replacing the manual system with a real-time automated solution. The Berjaya Supermarket Clothing Department can achieve better inventory control, reduce error, and improve efficiency for employees and suppliers.
Moving on, we have our level O context diagram. The context diagram will feature three entities, which is employee, management, and supplier. With inventory management system at the center, employee will input sales transaction, return process, stock level updates, employee access, password and identification, and lastly business documents into the system, which then will project real-time inventory report, stock replenishment alert, receipt, copy receipt, and copy return notes. Then supplier will input stock entry, supply details, and business documents such as credit notes, debit notes, and discount given. Then the inventory will project supply report, return note, and original receipt to supplier. Then management can enter the system by inputting password and identification, which then the system will generate return reports, audit logs, sale reports, and employee access log.
Now, for the level 1 DFD, I will arrange it to 5 parts. That is employee, stock management, sales processing, supplier management, and reports and update logs. Now, for employee handles stock management, sales processing, and supplier management. They also request stock updates, process sales transaction, and manage supply records. For the stock management, they update inventory levels in the inventory database. Then they generate inventory reports sent to the reports and audit logs. For the sales processing, they update sales record, then sends sales data to the reports and audit logs. For the supplier management, they update supplier records and process the return to the notes and receipts. Then they send supplier reports to the reports and audit logs. For the reports and audit logs, they collect reports from inventory, sales, and supplier data. Then management can request reports and receive generate reports. Now, for the question, first, what is the challenges in developing the inventory management system? Developing an inventory management system comes with several challenges, including system integration issues. It's ensuring a smooth integration with existing systems such as accounting software or e-commerce platform. Second, is compatibility with different database and supply system. B, it's real-time inventory tracking, maintaining real-time stock updates without lag or delays. Then handling concurrent updates when multiple users interact with the systems simultaneously. For C, data accuracy and security. It's preventing human errors in data entry that could lead to incorrect inventory records. Then securing sensitive data like supply contracts, sales transaction, and user access control.
D. User adoption and training. Employee and store manager may struggle with adapting to a new system and resistant to change from manual to automated process. E. Scalability and performance. Ensuring the system can handle an increasing number of products, suppliers, and users. Avoiding slow system performance due to large data loads. And lastly, cost of implementation, such as budget constraint for acquiring hardware, software, and cloud services, and unexpected costs for maintenance, support, and future upgrades.
Next is about the solutions to overcome these challenges. The first solution is the system integration solutions. Use APIs and middleware solutions to integrate with internal system, conduct compatibility testing before full deployment. Second is ensuring real-time inventory tracking. Implement the database optimization and caching strategies. Use cloud-based solution for real-time updates across multiple locations. Next is about enhancing data accuracy and security. Implement automatic data validation and error checking mechanisms. Use encryption, user authentication, and role-based access to control, prevent unauthorized access. Next is user adoption and training. Conduct training session and provide user manuals. Gather user feedback and continuously improve the system based on user needs. Next is ensuring scalability and performance. Use scalable cloud infrastructure to handle increased traffic. Optimize database queries and system architecture for high performance. The last is managing implementation costs. Start with a minimal viable product MVP and expand as needed. Use open source tools or software as a service as solution to reduce initial investment.
That is all from us,
Thank you.
and
That
thank
is
you
all
for
from us.
watching. And
Selamat
selamat
Hari
Hari
Raya
Raya
Aidilfitri.
Aidilfitri.